Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to refill your markers if you do not have refills. You can refill any marker that there is possible. You don't need the refills, you just need rubbing alcohol. So I have a few here that is running out. You can see not much juice here. See, they're really not working well. So let's just jump into it and I will show you how to refill these markers. Okay, you're gonna need some paper because this is gonna be messy. So if you're not comfortable using rubbing alcohol, I suggest maybe a friend or someone do it for you. And then we need a pipette, some pliers, and rubbing alcohol. This is in Norwegian, but this is 95 ethanol based alcohol. Do not use like antibac or anything that has like stuff in it. This is purely clean alcohol. This one is made for like cleaning. I don't know what it's called, but like, medical stuff. So yeah, that's an important part. I'm just gonna put some in the top. Put some there. Now, you see these are dead. Like, okay, either you throw it away or you can try to make it last longer. But they will fade. Like, the more alcohol you put in it, the less color. So they will fade in color, just so you know that. So I'm gonna start off with this one. And I'm gonna have the broad end on the marker, because on this one, the Winsor Newton now, this is letter race that used to own Pro Marcus before, but it's the same. It does not work on the bullet nib, as far as I know, but it's so small, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. So I'm gonna take the pliers and just drag out. There we go. So now we have a hole. This works pretty well for the Pro markers Winsor and Newton, but it might also work on other markers where it's possible to take the nib out. And I will take my pipette and get some, oops, drops in there. See, messy. And then I'm putting it inside and putting a few drops in here, maybe 4, 5, 6-ish in there. Now I'm full of. You can use gloves if your skin is sensitive. And then we'll just put the nib in again. And now we have to wait for it to because in the inside here there's like filth with the ink. So we're gonna leave it now for an hour, but I would probably wait longer for it to like spread evenly. But for the demonstration of this video, I'm gonna wait an hour or so. Put some in here. This one got overfilled. You can tell there's a droplet on top there. But as you see, if I dip it in there, you can see it becomes white. So that's why you shouldn't put too much in it, because the color, yep, it splashes everywhere. All right, there we go. And then the black one. Now I do not have any other markers that is empty, so I couldn't. The only thing I can test if it's possible to take out the nib. Oh, get it in there. There we go. And I will get some other markers and see if they are possible to open. All right, I got one chameleon. I got a hoo-hoo. This is the colorless blender because these are new, so I don't want to ruin it. And this is the Spectrum Noir. All right, let's start off with the Ohuhu marker, since this one is a popular one. Let's see. It is possible to remove this one, and I can see the felt inside it. I can't really show it on camera because it's white, and yeah, but I do believe it's possible with the Ohuhu. I mean, if your marker is empty, why not try? Now I'm just... it's not white anymore. Be careful. You should probably don't do like me. Should probably wipe this one off before you move on to the next marker. And then we got the Spectrum Noir. This was the bullet nib. Let's check this one. That one is possible to remove, so you can do it here as well. And then the chameleon. Not sure which one is the correct way. This one does not have a chisel nib, I believe. We have this one, bullet, and then we have brush. So we could try the bullet. Oh, you see the bullet comes out, but the hole is really small, so I think it's really hard to get the pipette in there. And the pliers might ruin the nib, just so you know it. But I mean, if it's already dry, what do you got to lose? This one comes out, so you might get the pipette in there. Yeah, it is possible with most markers. At least the ones that I have tested. You should look if it's possible on yours. Just test it on the ones that is empty, because then it doesn't matter. Now, I am curious about water-based markers though. I do have two Tombow markers here, which is dry. Not anymore, apparently. This one is really dry. This one is dry. So it has a bullet nib, but I can tell this is too small. But maybe we can do something here. Careful. Taking it out. So this one is water-based. So I'm going to use water for this one. I mean, it's probably possible with alcohol as well, but then it would probably get a weird mixture between water and alcohol. You should just experiment with it. I'll have some water here and I'm gonna put it slowly in there. Just gonna let it go down. Soak in there. There's like a bubble in here now. You see the shine. And I can try, oops, putting it back in. I think this one needs some time to soak. Okay. I'm gonna leave that also for an hour-ish. And I will be right back. All right, I am back. It's been, well, almost 2 hours now, so it should be mixed in there pretty good. So I'm starting off with the gray here to see. Look at that. So much better already. This one's still a bit dry in the tip here, so I might have to leave them upright for a little bit as well. Look at that. Isn't it amazing? And then I'm so excited about the Tombow marker to see if this one is better. Okay, it did not work with the Tombow marker. But we could maybe dip it a little bit in water. See if that. Okay, that is good to know that it doesn't work with water-based markers, but it works pretty well with the alcohol markers. What we could try to do is to fill the Tombow with alcohol. I'm gonna let that do its work for a little bit. Now keep in mind that I didn't put that much alcohol in them, so they might dry out quick again. But maybe try like do some rounds with putting alcohol in them, and maybe they will last longer. All right, let's see. Here I have an old swatch of my colors to see how paler they are, and this is Cool Gray 3. which is this one. It's really hard to tell. Let's see if I fold it. This one. I mean, this one has dried for a long time, so it's naturally paler. There's not that much different, really. And this one is sandstone, which is up here. So it's a tiny bit paler than the original. And then we got black. Hi, it's editing me. I'm so sorry I lost footage of the rest of the video here. But basically what I'm explaining is that the colors have faded a little bit. And I have refilled this marker multiple times before this video, and it's a slow fading process. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it. I hope you give it a try on your dried markers. Leave a like if you like this video, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!